अहानबदा मरोइबा पाउसिंग पिजरे नागालैंड पाउदुना लाकपा यादबदगी माउगी मियोय कया मणिपुर लेंगाकना सिंदुना दिमापुरदगी अखनबा फ्लाइट अमदा इम्फाल इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट फाउबा पुरखरे MP Sana Jawbana Loktak Pad amadi Kaibulamgaon National Park yokatnaba Parliament pukhatre Meghalaya Congress da Chawna Safu Piraduna ngarangsu MLA ani ruling NPP da yawrakre Miyam bukurumjari ELITETV pau mideng tabiriba singbo sana Hemam na taram na okjari Miyam da mapung oiba I pau pizza dingai mangoinena COVID-19 ga mari lenena lengak na piriba SOP sing ngak na chatpi na bakhanganjari Miyam na matam pungbada mark so piba khutsa seng na hamtok piba amade mi amaga ki marakta fit taruk lap na leibina bakhanganjari Masters na COVID-19 gi vaccine sing matam chana kapthok pidana laichada si bulan theng na bada adom su thodang lobiyo haina ELITETV ki maikai digi Miyam da pil tawjari hojik mapung oiba pau Miyam da sadok na pizari Manipur gi Mau amadi Nagaland gi Kuzuri natraga Kazolsta haina khangnariba ngamkhai gi sarukta lamgi chayet nabana maram oiraga Nagaland gi mafam kharada irang sing thokpadagi Manipur da lakadaba mahiroi amadi thabak tawduna leiba miyoi kaya ama puthoraknaba Mau Infal Market Coordination Committee na memorandum ama lengakta pisin khraba matung Manipur lengak ki akhanaba thorang amagi makhada ngasi Dimapur dagi Infal International Airport ta akhanaba charter flight amada Mau gi mahiroi humfu hena thunglakre Nagaland ge Southern Angami People's Organization Sapo Kobalup amana Mau macha singbu lambi paring asi fauduna chatpa yaroi haina athingba thamkibaga loinena furakpa amadi gari mai thabagi thodok sing thoklakpa si yenglaga Manipur gi mapanda mahi tamba yauna thabak tawnariba miyoi singna yumda Christmas kumhai yaunaba yanabagi damak lengak na thorang asi paikhatpani mapanda ge thoklakpa mahiroi sing asibu okpada saruk yakhiba Mau ACG MLA Losi Dikhona hai Chayet nariba lamgi paring asi hanadagi hauna Manipur gi oiduna ngak selaga lakribani hiram siga mari leinena angami gi leiriba MLA aniga mahakasu wari sanabadi leire lengak nasu athuba matamda waroishinama puraknaba kanna hotnari khudakki oinasu maugi miyam da khudong chaba thokhandanaba thorang su matam gi oina paikhatli haiki thokliba chayet naba amadi hojek nakalani gi marakta oiriba fibam masigi matangda Mau Infal Market Coordination Committee gi convener Khuraizam athoguna hai Lengak na mahiroi kaya akhanaba flight ama sinduna Infal tamna masagi yum phauba yauhannaba thorang asidi yamna thagatli adubu tung koina chatnaba yagadaba waroishin ama puraknaba thabakso hena khumang yangsen na lokhatpa mathau tai haike mahiroi singbu okpa duda Mau Students Union Manipur gi President Mariko O Lerina yauna tampak ta leiriba lupkaya gi luchingba singsu saruk yake Thorang asi paikatuna Manipur da tek takaidana yauhan bibagi damaktasu Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren busu thagatpa phongdok narakli
Magi miyamgi ihul khangna tawriba porase aduga issue sigi oinadi sidi ekoina matam gi tholeiba thodok sida ekoina relief pi nanabagi adugumba measures ngaktani aduga solution din nate solution gi damakta di ekoi state government na magi diplomatic channel ama emergency diplomatic channel ama hangdok pira kanda magi counterparts Nagaland gi state government as well as India gi home ministry amadi survey of India yauna intervene ta holla kanda Madugi official table da Paminara Kanda, Leramiba Hanagi land records, Punama Puto Minara Kanda, Hari Porasi, Sina Chumana Legadavani, Sina Chumi, Habido, Madura final Legadavani, Chumnagi, tribal sing, Natraga Naga, Angami Singa, Mau Singa, or Mogitiniamigi, Mau, tribal group community, May Punjala same organization, Git table da, customary lona. Resolve togani habadudi madudi reliable su oiroi aduga maram su chadre maram di ekhogi state ki territory political map city state government gi prerogatives are completely madu defend to protect to madu nga aga thamba state ki responsibility ni aduna Nagaland gi da customary law chanaram be but Manipur da di chanadabani na Manipur gi oina de ekhoi leiriba conventional law sigi kuthang da resolve to changi aduna hariba channel se state government yam thuna expedite to rakanda Tuna table da Paminaba Hobudo, Aduga, Madugi Tarakpa resolution Dugi Matungina, Matik Chaba action lokatpa, अदुदा यानिंगी यानिंगदी है एनी कम्युनिटी ना इंटरवेन तौरगसु हाइब कम्युनिटी दुगी लीडर सिंग अदु फाब पुनबना चिंबा लेबाकी पाइखतपुम थोंग थब पाइखतपुम तंगाई फदे अदन माइन थमजगे
Very unfortunate, very unfortunate, I should say, because you see all the civil societies both in Manipur and Nagaland, they have appealed to the support not to organize this kind of very, what you see, we can say this is uncivilized in the modern world now. So they are appealing, and I also appeal to them. It is not proper. And then if you don't, there are a lot of things we have been initiated in order to bring good understanding and settlement permanently. So whatever may be the case, see, government of Manipur has done something to allow the tourists to go to Zuku and also to climb to the highest mountain, that is. But they said they will not allow. It is not proper, na? For tourism too, everybody can go, but they are doing on the Manipur area only. So this coming up with this kind of a ban on the particular community on the highway, it is very uncalled for these days. No?
Sir, are there any interventions from your side as an MLA?
Moi laguse tongan phamdagi moi Shillong, Guwahati, Arunachal, Kolkata dagi train oin lakpa by road oin lakpa miyam se they're all stranded there in Dimapur. However, with the intervention of our Honorable Chief Minister, it is possible today that he has arranged a charter flight from Dimapur to Imphal. So they're all reaching home to celebrate Christmas, to meet their family and loved ones. It is quite very unfortunate. The issue is ongoing at the border. However, student community ne public innocent civilians ne mayam affect we should say it is really unfortunate. Hopefully they can come to an amicable settlement, and then especially they should look into the plight of the students and then the innocent passengers traveling to this national highway.
Today we came here like 55 of us, and then the situation is still the same, very sensitive, so we can take risks going in that normal route. So yeah, we want to thank our Manipur government and our Chief Minister Biren Singh, our 48 Mao constituency MLA Serdiko, and our Mao Council and all the organizations that have greatly supported us. Yes, sir.
Manipur ge yumlo na state or Nagaland gi kuzuri natraga kazol sa haina khangnai ba mafam asida mao gi miyosing sanglak pa yaroi haina lamgi sayet na bagi wahau dagi thoklak liba irang kaya si matung tarakpo ina Manipur lenga ki akhanaba thorang amagi makhada ngasi Imphal airport tamna Dimapur dagi mao gi mahiroi humphuma thoi henna puthorokli mahiroi sing asina Imphal airport ta thunglabada mao AC gi MLA lositi khoyauna mao students union Dimapur amadi Manipur gi tongan malusing basing na Imphal airport ta haraw te amna okpa thengnari loinana thoklak liba mahiroi sing asina makhoi gi oiba phongdokpa gi matungina makhoi na thoklakpa matamda yamna Manipur lenga na mateng pangba si damak Tagat Pofongdok Naboga Loina Matam Supagi Oiba, Wato Oscillation of Torangsing Paikal and Bagi, Apamasing, Fongdok Nari. Cameraman Loyag Loina, Elite News Kidamak Powdom Zeriba Marangtung Andrel, Imphal Airport.
Rajya Sabha ki MP Ningtholai Semba Sana Jawbana, Loktak Pat Amadi Kaibulam Jaw National Park Yokatuna Thamnaba Parliament Pukatre. MP Semba Sana Jawbana Ngarang Fam Kiba Parliament Mifamda Wafamasi Pukat Laduna High. Loktak Hydro Project amadi Ithai Dam gi merit point kaya leirabasu masigi ona tainabada demerit point kaya su leiri haibasi nathaiba yaroidaba amani Loktak Hydro Project ke beneficiary state sing asi Manipur Nagaland Assam amadi Mizoram ni haibasi achumbani megawatt chamaga supna manga power generation ki manungda Manipur gi oina megawatt kontraga manga khaktamak sizinaduna lakli adubu lemhauriba megawatt humfudra aduna yumthang nariba state sing de yonthokli Loktak Hydro Project amadi Ithai Dam gi demerit sing adudi Lawu singu yaba leihau chenba lam hectare lising marifuhumdoi ka chamri ga yankairom ising thumjinduna mangduna leiri akoibada khundariba miyamgi socio economic amadi cultural life ta sokhalli Loktak Pat ki akoibagi fibamda ikhang khangaudana chawna honglakli Loktak Pat asi nongmanongmagi thenjilakli Kaibulam Jaw National Park ki ecosystem amadi environment su yamna chawna sokhalli hairiba park asi malem gi oina amatangairaba floating park amani Loinana sangai gi horakfamni Tanglaba sama kalamadi Manipur gi state animals su oiriba sangai asi park asi khaktada fangi hojikti sangai gi masing asi chaniga yankhai dagi hanthare amadi khudong thiningai oiba samakal oirakle हाइरिबा खुदोंग थिनिंगाई ओइरबा फिबम असिगी येंगदुना लेबाक असिगी मरु ओइना संगाई कन्नबगिदमक लोकताक पाट अमदी कैबुल लमजाव नेशनल पार्क योखत्तुना थमनबा लौखटपा याबा थबक थौरम खुदिंगमक लौखटपियो हाइना एमपी ना हाउस की खुदांगदा इंडिया गवर्नमेंट तकसिनकी.
Sir, it is true that the beneficiary states of Loktak hydro projects are Manipur, Nagaland, Assam and Mizoram. Out of 105 megawatt power generation in 3 phases of 35 megawatt is only 35 megawatt has been used in Manipur, while the remaining 70 megawatt has been sold to the neighboring states. Sir, the merits of Loktak hydro projects and Ithai dams are: number one, about 83,450 hectares of arable fertile lands have been affected and submerged underwater. Number two, socio-economic and cultural life of the surrounding people have been affected. Number three, sir, environment of Loktak Lake has abruptly changed. Loktak Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes in the country. Now, sir, the lake is shallowing day by day. And number four, ecosystem and environment of Kaibul Lamjau National Park have also been affecting badly. This park is the only floating park in the world and home of Sangai brown antler deer. This Sangai, the rarest species of its kind, and the state animals of Manipur is found only in this park. Now the number of Sangai is reducing below 250 and becoming endangered species. Sir, considering these alarming situations, I therefore request the Government of India through this House to take up all possible steps for the conservation of Loktak Lake and Kaibul Lamjau National Park, especially for Sangai, to save in the interest of the nation.
Manipur Olympic Association Sinduna Handa Gujarat Pangtokhiba National Games amadi Silongda Pangtokhiba Anisuba Northeast Olympic Games da medal fanglakraba sanaroi sing amadi event sing adu da saruk yaruba sanaroi sing taramno okpagi thoram ngasi Kuman Lampak Sports Complex sa pangtokhrei. Thoram adu da Manipur gi Chief Minister N Biren, Sports Minister Govindas Konthozam, Manipur Olympic Association gi President MLA Dr. TH Radheshyam, Wangkai Kendra MLA TH Arun Kumar, Kaisamthong AC ki MLA Sapam Nisikant amadi atay official amasung masaknaiba sanaroi kaya susaruk yaki.
Carly was singing a support on the Bohana Badune Kogito. Sangai Festival Sikarino, Handaki the Mayan Kange, Festival of Oneness. Jumnagi Festival Pangto Podunataba. Madugi achievement target to me on a quite a lady of Quimam, Sinushi, and a Punchin Navigi Amatoiva, or Navigi Portune. Adudi Carita Wotai, question didn't know we are already. Mapums I talk with I. Mapum Taraga Marie the Nequina Pangto Gunter, Bharat Pumba. I am appreciative of even Honorable Prime Minister. Maru in Manipur was Singtam Giproja, Dokimataro. Example Lamatogzabani. I don't know quite who's infrastructure can the Samquat Pamatamne, Samquat Likana, Hana Sambirame, Adu Matanga Sunaba Mawanga. Say, Kumalampak Koi night key, Nundang Sanavi Ananabagi floodlight key. Facility equivalent hockey gida football gida astroturf ki Kudong Saba football ground practice ground hoji Singi district Tariat ta sablo igre astroturf ki football ground swimming pool sumaina ekoi mapam kaya da hoji luang smongi multi sports complex ko floodlight kan pali floodlight pan bo hockey stadium ne football stadium ne ahum sure astroturf thaba field training ki practice ki hoji Kuman Lampak si hanta kano ki do ubire mayam na duran cup ta ni sande ay marum Govindas ka tawrakan seat capacity 60,000 70,000 boki seat capacity hangkadan si haidan madugi hoji mak yam kanna siali
Maraibak Manipur gi ningtam ngak nabagi damak Englising amaga chanipan marifudara mathoida British ki mayokta lan thengnaduna punsi pontha pikraba athoba Mezar Paunam Brajabasi ki chahi chamaga marifudara mapan suba mapok kumon ngase ayuk Agartala gi Abhoi Nagar da khinba Pauna Brajabasi ki bitamda haikat lekat tamduna ikai khumnaba utgrei Thoromaduda Manipur gi film director OC Maira Puthiba Welfare Society ki secretary S Deepak Kumar Marup Pauche gi RK joint editor RK Tarunjit N Niranjan KSH Dhanajit Nachumba Tripura gi saknai raba miyoi kya na saruk yaki Pau gi mrak thana atenba break amalong minasi
welcome you all to UNACO School Channel in Far East, an exclusive co-educational residential school located on a sprawling 50 acres campus just 24 km away from Imphal city. The school will be affiliated to CBSE New Delhi. Academic session will begin on 1st April 2023 for classes 4 to 8. Registration come at Mason open for 2023 and 24 session.
The pinnacles of success. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNACO School, Excellence in Education.
Break ki matungda mayam butaram okchari makata ba pau sung pizari. Meghalaya da handak pangthokodoriba mikhalasi ki mangoinena ruling party oriba National People's Party NPP da hena khudong chaba fangba oina Congress Party da ki tanthokraba maru oiba member ani NPP da nauna yaurakre. NPP da nauna changlakraba Congress ki hanagi MLA ani adudi hanagi Minister oiramlaba M Amparan Lingdo amade Mohendro Rapsang anini. Makoi anina NPP da changlakpa da United Democratic Party ki Mlanki Lamare amade Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council su sarukya ke. MLA animak na ngarang MLA from dagi from thadokpagi chirol Meghalaya ge Legislative Assembly ge Commissioner Andrew Simons tapisin ke. Congress ki oinadi MLA sing primary membership tagi tokiba haiba sina yamna chawna safu ama party asida piri. Congress ki MLA tara taret ki manungda MLA tara nithoi hozik fawbada lang from thadokre. Masigi manungda mamangda Congress ki Chief Minister oiramba Mukul Sangma su Trinamool Congress ta yaukrabani.
By example, I have shown you. If a party no longer requires my services, I will resign. And I have resigned. I am not going through the skylight. I am not going through the window into somebody's house. I resigned this morning before I declared my candidature from the NPP after they have accepted me. So don't allow proxy entry of political parties into the state of Meghalaya. It will result in unhealthy politics. Who will lose out in the long run? Not individual candidates, but the people in general.
Jammu and Kashmir ki Sopian District Security Force in Khutok Nabada Laskar e Toiba Lalhauba Ahum Hatkre. Ahum adugi manungda amadi local recruit ni aduga ani amana handakta micham hatpada yauba mioi ani ni haina police ki pauna haide. Mioi ani adudi Aman Latif Lone kawi amade Mahak Kashmir Pandit Purana Krishna Bharat hatpada chenei. Atopa lalhauba amana aduna Umesh Nazir kawi amadi Mahak asi Nepal dagi Til Bahadur Thapa kauba mioi ama hatpada chenaba misakni. Khuthoknabagi thodok adunga se ayuk anganbada munje markta thokhibani. Maduda police na rifle amaga pistol aniga fangle haidi. ELITETV News Channel asigi oina miyamna email gi khuthangda I pau thabirakpa matamda email address info@elitv.in da thabirakna bakhanganjari. Mastasnatana ELITETV da I pau faunabagi oina phone number 9402890982 da I pau faubirakna bakhanganjari. Miyamna so ELITETV gi YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram amadi Twitter da so follow tobina bakhanganjari. Losilakpada moroba pau singu pizari. Nagaland fauduna lakpa yadabagi maogi mioi kaya Manipur lengak na sinduna Dimapur dagi akarnaba flight amada Imphal International Airport fawba purakre. MP Sana Jawbuna Loktak Pat amadi Kaibulamjao National Park yokhatnaba Parliament ta pukhatkre. Meghalaya Congress ta chawna safu piraduna ngarang so MLA ani ruling NPP da yaurakre. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ELITETVꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯦ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯁꯅꯥ ꯍꯦꯃꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ